in Japan, we have a lot of vending machine. So you can buy ice cream. It's only 50 yen, 200 yen, very cheap. Then, so in every corner here, then we have the vending machine service. Meron ding coffee. The waiting here in Kakegawa Station. Here is the station. So, teacher camp is here. Well, actually, meron akong class. Morning. Nakarating na ako dito sa Kakegawa. Nag-almusal ako ulit. Bumili ako ulit dun sa same store. Isa na ako bumili na ako. So, meron akong ilang minutes. 5 minutes late. Pakita ko din sa video. Nakadress ako ngayon. Yung bagong bala ko. Nandito ako sa ilalim ng mga trees. And nagtago ako kasi umuulan. Ito yung view. Just imagine, naka-dress ako and then naka-backpack ako. Buhay talaga ng OFW. But I made it here. So kanina nakapag-makeup ako for 1 hour, nakapag-prepare everything, nakapag-take a bath. And then, at exactly 8 o'clock, I was in the train. And now, I'm here. Hindi ako late. My boss is picking me up. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 minutes. I'm still on time. Nalilate din pala mga Japanese. I'm here in the station. The Japanese people are busy. Yung mga kids dyan. Maybe they're going to punta sila sa excursion. So my boss usually picks me up right at this place. Oh, may mga bikers dito. Okay. I'm here again. Yesterday I was here. So I have 2 days class here. So I'll just be waiting here. Dito lang sa mismong spot na to. Kasi it's safer. So I won't miss her. Kasi yesterday naghanapan pa kami. I'm not sure if this is her car. I haven't really memorized her car. So yeah, the Japanese. This is the Kakegawa. Very nice place. I'm starting to enjoy it. So every weekend dito ako. If I don't have class in Hamamatsu, I'm here. So naka-dress po ako. Remove my mask so you'll see. Yan, nakapag-makeup ako. Fresh to fresh. Thank you. So this is my Saturday. Mamaya may meeting kami online together with my mentor and coach. I have to follow their time, Canada time, and I don't know which one I will. Which time zone we're following today. If it's Canada or Australia. If it's my mentor, then it's she's here. She must be here. Okay, she's here. See you. Morning. I'm now here in my small classroom for my kids. Yeah. So this is where I hold my English classes on Saturdays. Oh, I have to fix my hair.